Let's turn these empty rooms into fully furnished interiors and renovate existing ones using Rendair AI's brand new virtual staging feature. Head over to Rendair AI and click Get Started. Once you're signed in, go to the Edit tab and select Virtual Staging. Now upload a photo of an empty room. For this one, I'll use this space and type in a prompt: Modern Living Room Design. Then hit Generate. As you can see, in just a few seconds, we've got a beautifully furnished version of our empty room, super clean and realistic. Let's try another one. This room has a kitchen in the background, so I only want to stage a living area in front. I'll mention that clearly in the prompt and generate again. And here it is. It even gave me options, one with the couch facing this way and another arranged differently. Really helpful to visualize layout alternatives. Now let's design a kitchen. Upload a kitchen photo and prompt something like green kitchen cabinets with a coffee stand. Just like that, amazing results. Everything looks spot on based on the prompt. Finally, let's try renovating. I'll upload this kitchen and prompt: white cabinets, green tile. Look at that. It kept the window and heating elements, added a table, and completely transformed the cabinets. Looks almost magical. So as you can see, I furnished and renovated several spaces, all using just image uploads and a simple prompt. No complicated parameters, no 3D models. Just describe what you want. Try it out now at Rendair AI.